Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Mariam Edibles. Guess what I have for you today? Is banana ice cream. Oh my god! And I know you are going to love this recipe of mine. So, let's get started. So these are the few things that I'll be using for today's recipe, and the main ingredient here is this banana. Okay, it was frozen for about 30 minutes, and I also have here my milk powder. You can also use heavy cream if you want, and of course my sweetener, I'll be using white sugar. You can also use condensed milk as well, and then evaporated milk here. I wanted a peak milk, but I didn't get. This is what I had. This is not familiar to me. I've never used this type of milk before, but let's give it a try. Okay, there's no harm in trying. Let's see how it works. I have two flavors here. I have vanilla essence and also banana essence. Okay, so but I'm gonna use only vanilla essence. You can also decide to use the two, okay, or you can choose one, but I'm gonna use only vanilla essence for this recipe, even though I am making banana ice cream. One big secret about vanilla flavor is that it matches with all kind of fruit, maybe except strawberry. Okay, so choose what you want, use the two or choose one. There are so many ways of killing a cat. You can decide to cut your banana straight into your blender, okay? But I don't want to do it that way. I just want to turn this into a paste form before I transfer everything into the blender, okay? And I hope you do the same, because this is gonna help you get a smooth and nice consistency even without adding water to it, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna give this a quick blend. I'll be back in a second. Well, I am back, and let's open it up and see. Oh my god, can you see how smooth it is? Yeah, remember I didn't add water to this. So in a bowl I pour in my milk powder, then add a little bit of sugar to this. Please be careful because the banana is sweet, so you don't need to add too much. And then add a little bit of cold water to this. Stir everything together. Make sure that it's well mixed. So now I'm gonna add that to my blended banana. If you have something like this, you can also use it, because that's gonna help you to prevent the banana from stacking on the blade. Yes, I'm gonna give this a quick blend, final one of course. I will be back in a second. Voila, I am back just like I promised you guys, and see that, oh it's almost ready. Have you ever tried to make banana ice cream on your own? It's very easy and simple, and as you can see, it doesn't require too much ingredient. Okay, now to my evaporated milk, I'm just adding it. I think I like the color of this milk. Yes, I plan of adding a yellow food color to it, but I think it has given me the perfect color that I want, so I will not add the food color anymore. This color is perfect for me, so I'm now adding my vanilla essence. This ice cream is actually trying me. I'm fasting, but this ice cream wants to do me bad. Yeah, there you go. It's time for my favorite. These small cups. This is how Ghanaians enjoy their ice cream in these small cups, and I personally love it. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in my deep freezer. Okay. So see you in the next 8 hours, but then I'll be breaking my fast. Well, it's already 8 hours and our ice cream is ready. Guess what? Guess something. I can now try some because fasting time is over. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. Oh, Mariam. I love that. This is my style of enjoying ice cream, okay? This is how I love to enjoy my ice cream. Well, and to those who love to enjoy their ice cream using spoon, Mariam got your back. So it's time to serve you. Is your spoon ready? Because I am ready here. Okay? You are served. Well, now let's give it a try and see. Oh, it really tastes good. I love it. I love it. Very creamy, but it's not my style of enjoying ice cream, but it really tastes good. Yes. I love holding the stick, sucking my ice cream small. Yeah. Which one do you vibe for? Do you vibe for holding the stick or enjoying with your spoon? Well, I vibe for holding the stick. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love. Kamsahamnida.